Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. Today is our last day of Christmas Every Day, this story, and we have some things to be looking for today. You're going to be working on this sheet right here that says go to find. So as you're reading, you're going to be looking for several things. You're going to be looking for 5 strong action verbs, 5 strong things that are happening or somebody is doing, and you're going to, I would say, put a big box around those 5 verbs. Okay, you're going to need them. You also are going to find your favorite passage from the story, and near that I want you to put a heart. Oh, and you can bracket it so you know where it was, but what's your favorite passage? And then I want you to find a passage where the author uses humor, and you're going to put a ha-ha out to the side because that's funny, or an LOL, that would also work. And then you're looking for one passage that best explains the title of Christmas Every Day. And you're going to just write title next to that. So you have that to do. And then you'll see you have a recipe for a poem. And it's a very specific poem. And what it says is, I am, choose a character, object, or theme of the story. Oh gosh, we haven't talked about theme in a while. What was theme? Let's try to remember. It's something that the author wants you to learn or to think about, but it's not usually directly stated, right? It's kind of a moral of the story. What theme is there? So you can pick a theme, an object, or a character. You have those choices. And something that you would be curious about if you were that person, thing, or whatever. So if you are talking about an object, maybe the Christmas tree, then you would be taking that on that point of view. Or then a sound, real or imaginary, and you would see if you were that, something that you would see if you were actually that person or thing or whatever. Something that you see based on that perspective, something you want based on the perspective, and then the first line of the poem is restated. Got it? So you've got, it says, I am, I wonder, and then you put your own words in. Then the second stanza is, I pretend, and again, it's from that perspective, or I feel, I touch, I worry, I cry, and then the first line of the poem is restated again. And then, again, you're taking on that personality of that thing. I understand, I say, I dream, I try, I hope, I am, and it's done again. And then you actually have a sample first stanza, so if you're a little confused, it's there. Okay, so you're going to be writing it, and then that second page, dun, 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 is actually where you write your beautiful new poem, but it's using this here. Got it? So that's not really hard. So you're creating that original poem, and then there are going to be some questions and on a Google form, and I would suggest you do all of those first because those are actually the error questions perhaps. And after you've done the Google form, I would suggest that you take the AR test on this little story and get a few more points. Some of you need it, and if you've practiced it and you know where you went wrong, then you should all get 100 on that AR test. Wow, that's kind of a nice gift. Merry Christmas. So that's what's going on. You're going to do a 4th reading of the story using that original video. You'll know what you're supposed to do for annotations because it's in this video. And some of you still need to take your STAR test. Some of you will still need to retake your STAR test. I'm tired of asking, but hopefully we'll get everybody today. We're almost there. So, once you have all of that stuff done, I would be looking to make sure that every single thing you can have turned in. And some of you are still just clicking turn in and not adding anything or not doing the work, and that's not going to help you. But that is the decision you're making, and we're almost to a point where everybody gets a fresh start. So that's it. I will see you as we go along.